First of all, cut cabbage into small pieces. The same goes for mushroom. You can mostly put whatever you want. Okonomiyaki literally means this. Today I'm using shrimps. It's also common to put squid or pork. Well, actually putting mushroom is not normal for okonomiyaki, so you don't necessarily use it. If you put cabbage at least, it's gonna be an okonomiyaki. You also need an egg, flour, and dashi seasoning for dough. I'll talk about dashi later. If you use this type of thing, you don't need to put dashi. Put some flour in a bowl by intuition. Measuring quantities can be a hassle. Put some water in an egg. Then mix them well. If you think the water is not good enough, just put some more. Dashi is a traditional Japanese seasoning which is made from bonito or kombu kelp. Making dashi from scratch takes time, so we often use powdered dashi instead. It doesn't matter if you use liquid dashi for okonomiyaki. Put the ingredients in the dough. And mix them. It's almost done. All that is left is to cook it. Heat a pan up. Spread oil. Put the dough and leave it with medium fire for a while. Spread oil again from the edge. Then flip it over. And leave it for a while. Normally we put okonomiyaki sauce, mayonnaise, and bonito flakes on it. Well, I only just had mayonnaise this time. Don't get it wrong.